Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. So, do you remember in the previous class we started with the chapter Reena the Magician, which is the first chapter of a book, and I had taught you section 1 of the chapter. In section 1, we learned that Reena, who was a school going girl, one day when she was returning from her school, she sees a magician performing some tricks. She was impressed by those tricks and she offers 10 rupees which she finds in her bag, and she offers the magician those 10 rupees and asks the magician to teach her those magic tricks. When the magician came to know that she wanted to learn the magic tricks because she wanted to make her grandfather happy, the magician readily taught Reena those magic tricks, and he even did not take those 10 rupees from Reena, and he told Reena that when your grandfather will be happy with that magic trick, that would be his actual reward. So now we are going to learn in today's class we are going to learn about section 2, that what happens when Reena goes back home. So let's read out. The next morning Reena woke up very early. So Reena, she wakes up early that next morning. Why did she wake up early? Because she wanted to show her grandfather that magic trick which she had learned. Her grandfather had already gone for a walk. So grandfather had already gone for walk, but she woke up early and she started waiting for her grandfather. She stood at the door waiting for him to come back. Next to her was a glass of water and a piece of red cloth. So she had done all the necessary things which were needed to perform that magic trick. She needed a glass of water and a piece of red cloth. So she had already arranged that thing. Her mother was puzzled. Now mother was confused because mother could not understand why Reena was doing all those things. As the sun rose behind the trees, Reena's grandfather returned. So after having a walk for some time, Reena's grandfather, he returned, and you can see in the first picture Reena is standing at the doorstep, and as she sees her grandfather, she starts speaking, Dadu, Dadu, I have learnt a magic trick. The all gist is that she wanted to make her grandfather happy. So as he returned, she immediately said that Dadu, I have learned a magic trick and I want to show you that magic trick. Now grandfather was also a little bit excited. She told, okay, what is it? Reena, what the water for? So Reena's mother is quite confused. We have already read. So she asked Reena, why you have taken such water and what are you doing with that water? Now Reena starts performing the magic trick. She speaks those magic words which she had learned from the magician. Butter and mellow, I am a good fellow, afternoon showers, give me some flowers. So whatever exact magic words the magician has taught, Reena also spoke the same words. And after speaking those words, Reena's mother is saying, oh, don't do, Reena, stop. But Reena is speaking those magic words, and let us see what happens with her magic now. Now, after speaking those magic words, Reena opened her eyes and swung her arm with all her strength. Now she rotates her arm because she was sure that in the glass in which there was water, there must have been flowers after reading the magical words. So she swung her arm, means she rolled her arm with all her strength. Strength means might, with all her power. She rotated her arm, and what happened? Her mother tried to stop her. We have learnt earlier also that mother was confused. She tried to stop Reena, but Reena did not listen. In the confusion, water splashed everywhere. So actually that magic trick did not happen. Instead of that, there were no flowers in the glass, but the water which was there in the glass, it splashed all over. The whole place where Reena, her mother and her grandfather were standing, there the water splashed from the glass. There were no flowers, only water. So no flowers had come out of the magic. Both Reena and her mother were thoroughly wet. So all the water which Reena had in the glass, because she had used all her power to swing, to roll that glass. So all that water fell on Reena and her mother. So Reena's grandfather, who had jumped away, started laughing. So grandfather, somehow he managed to save himself. He jumped back, so he was saved from the water. But he started laughing when he saw Reena perform this funny trick. Seeing him laugh, Reena and her mother started laughing too. So when grandfather laughed, Reena and her mother, they were also happy, because along with them now the grandfather was also laughing and both of them were also laughing. The magic had worked, but in a different way. So Reena had done some magic, because Reena's grandfather, who always used to remain sad, he was laughing. So magic had taken place, but it was a different magic. Because of Reena's funny trick, grandfather was laughing, but Reena was happy. Dadu, you are laughing. Oh, I am very happy. So Reena was happy, because though she was unable to perform the magic trick, but she could make her grandfather laugh. This is what she actually wanted. So Reena was happy because she had completed her magic trick in a different way. Very well, children. I hope you have understood the humor which lies in this story. And apart from humor also, this story tells us the relationships also, that how a grandchild loves his or her grandparents. I hope you have understood the story. In the next class, we will be back with the exercises of the chapter. Till then, you read the chapter thoroughly so that you are able to understand it in a better way. Thank you.